In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Google Docs, whether it's an accidental extra page or one you just like to remove for any reason. Managing your document's layout is essential for making sure that everything looks neat and professional. Now let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're logged into your Google Drive. This is the main hub where all your Google Docs are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, the next step is to find the document you want to work with. It might be in a folder or just listed among your other documents, so navigate to the appropriate location and select it. Click on the document to open it. Once you have it open, take a look at the pages throughout the document. You'll want to move through the pages to find the specific one you wish to delete. If you're having trouble seeing the document clearly, there's an easy way to get a better view. Simply go to the zoom feature in the upper right corner of the document window. Clicking this will let you choose your desired zoom level, which can help you see each page in more detail. Now that you can clearly see all the pages, it's time to identify the page you want to delete. If the page is completely blank, here's a straightforward approach. Use your cursor to click and drag from the top to the bottom of the blank page, highlighting the entire section. Once the page is highlighted, you'll have two options to proceed. You can either right-click with your mouse to open the context menu and select delete, or you can simply press the delete key on your keyboard. Either option will remove the selected section. In case you have a page with content that you wish to remove, make sure to highlight everything on that page, including any extra spaces that might be causing formatting issues. Similar to before, right-click and select delete, or tap the delete key on your keyboard to eliminate the content. If you accidentally delete more than you intended, don't worry. Google Docs provides an easy undo feature. At the top right corner, you'll find the undo button denoted by an arrow curling to the left. Clicking this will reverse the last action you took, allowing you to restore any deleted content. Finally, navigate through your document again to ensure that everything still aligns with your expectations and there are no unintended deletions. Taking these precautions can help guarantee your document maintains the professionalism and clarity you need. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage and delete pages in Google Docs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.